This channel is for educational purposes only. We show you the how-tos. This should not be constituted as financial advice. Please contact a professional in that area to let you know what you should do with your money. We're going to be walking through how to fund your Kraken crypto exchange account, as well as doing some custom orders similar to limit orders on the easier interface versus the pro interface. First off, let's go ahead and fund our Kraken account. I've already got a couple of dollars in here. That's like $9. We can check out our portfolio, and it shows I only have about $9 worth of XRP. I am going to go ahead and buy some more. Let's just go ahead and hit buy. And I'm already set up with my PayPal account. How much am I going to put in there? Let's go with about $40 today and hit the review. Are we buying Bitcoin? Not today. All-time highs today. Let's go ahead and just buy some sheep. Why not? And again, we're going to put in about $40 today. Review the order. Confirm it. And view the transaction. Get your reference ID. Buy now is a market order buy, and that's just how easy it is. Now, we just went ahead and purchased with cash some Shiba Inu. Now, what if I want to sell if it hits a particular price? This is how you do that. Okay, let's go ahead and look at our portfolio really quick. And we'll scroll down and we see both of the cryptocurrencies I currently am holding on to in my portfolio. Let's go ahead and look at SHEEP. Now, you got, of course, your ability to buy, sell, convert the crypto into whatever you want that's offered on the exchange. You can deposit this. This is akin to sending and receiving to other crypto wallets. But what we are doing today is doing a custom order. So let's say I wanted to sell at a particular price. Let's go ahead and hit sell. You get the order type right now. It says sell now. We want to change that to a custom order. Now, this is not the same as a limit order as it is traditionally known, but you can actually set the price at some time in the future on this exchange. So let's say I want to get rid of half of what I have in my sheep. The current price is listed here. You can go up or down when you want to set that price to initiate that action. So it's currently here. Let's hit that 1%, 2%, 3%, all the way up to, if we get a 10% return, I want to sell it. Okay, go ahead and review it. This will give you a pretty good idea of what it's doing in the past. Go ahead, hit review. Here is your order. There's your fee. Target versus current price. If it goes up 10%, gonna hit confirm. It's all set. Let's view the order. It shows us again. We can edit it. I can get out of here, or you can delete it. But now, in our transaction section, you've got a history of all your transactions and any scheduled orders. There's a custom order right there, and you can review it from here. Any questions? Now, briefly, we're going to show you how to get to your professional settings. Kraken does a pretty good job of segmenting the user interface or the user experience by using Kraken. That's what we're using now. Kraken Classic, which looks like this. And let's go to Kraken Pro. Now, Kraken Pro's interface is a little bit more daunting. It's more of a professional interface. It shows you your assets right off the start. You have your deposit and what's currently in your wallet. You can look at your portfolio. And again, more akin to what you would see on Thinkorswim or Charles Schwab. But you do spot, overviews, analytics, tells you all about these markets. Again, more akin to professional trading. We're going to go back home, check your portfolio. Let's go into our particular coins, and here is where you can do your changes to your limit orders. And it has more than a few. You've got buy, sell limits, and you've got market. These are stop loss limits, take profit limits, or take profit. Iceberg. This is one that you don't see on any of the other platforms right off the bat. Now, they may be in the advanced X sections, but nothing as simple and as easy as what's on Kraken. So once we get into the more professional side of this application, we'll dive or deep dive into how to make use of these very powerful tools when buying and selling crypto. This interface is a little bit more straightforward than it was with the other two, where you actually had limitations on Uphold and Coinbase and Gemini. You have a limit price that you can't breach with a buy or sell. It has to go in one direction depending on what you're trying to do. You can't buy cryptocurrency above the current or limit price on some of those exchanges. Transversely, you can't sell at a lower price on a limit order in some of those exchanges. This doesn't really get into all that. You go up or down depending on the swings in the market, depending on what you think may happen. And this is just how you do it. Let me know if you have any questions on what you just saw tonight. We like giving this kind of information out, but always contact a financial advisor before you even get into this stuff. Only use your disposable income if you have it. I know in these times it's a little bit challenging, but it's a good time to try to start asking questions about crypto, because when an election year happens like the one we have here, and there's just transformational change all around, there's going to be a lot of instability in all markets. The Dow is up real high. It's got to go up. I mean, if what goes up must come down. And when it does, where do you think some of those funds may end up? That's a question for you tonight. Let me know what you thought. I'll talk to you later.